Okay, so let's start para sa ato ang next topic sa ato ang more discrete probability distribution. Direta sa geometric distribution. So we have here the following objectives: how to find probabilities using geometric distribution, how to find probabilities using the Poisson distribution. Okay, so diri sa ato ang geometric, you will study two more discrete probability distribution, the geometric distribution and the Poisson. Many actions in life are repeated until success occurs. For instance, a CPA candidate can take the CPA exam several times before receiving a passing score. Or you might have sent an email several times before it successfully sent. So kani siya ang ginatawag ani kay geometric distribution. So lahi pud na siya sa binomial. Kay di ang binomial kay muhatag man ka og five trials. Example, kung mag-shoot ka og bola sa ring, sa basketball, di ba? Tagaan kag five trials. So naara na kung success, fail, success, success, fail. Inana siya. Pero sa geometric distribution, kay wala siya trial. Mo stop lang jud ka kapag naabot na ang success. Okay? So mo na siya ang geometric distribution is a discrete probability distribution of a random variable with the following conditions. So yun nga, a trial is repeated until a success occurs. Okay? So ma-stop na siya pag maabot na ang success. Okay? Gayon, repeated trials are independent to each other. Probability of success P is constant for each trial. And then, ang random variable X na to represents the number of the trial in which the first success occur. Okay? So, again, ang X na to is a random variable ha. Ano na siya? Pag makuha na ang success, ay na dayon siya mag-stop. So, example, sa pag-shoot sa bola, di ba? Sige kag fail, fail, fail. Then pagkaabot sa ika-40 mo na shoot ni mong bola, so dito nakataman. Di ba? First success raman. Dili pareha sa binomial, tagaan kag five trials, pag-shoot sa bola nimo sa basketball, na success, na fail, fail, success. Okay? So ina na iyang random variable sa binomial. So mo nang lahi ang geometric. So fully klaro ni siya ha. Kay ang yang pasabot success. First success will occur on trial number x sa ato ang random variable. So p of x equal to p times q to the power of x minus 1 where q is equal to 1 minus p. Okay, so in other words, when the first success occur in a third trial, the outcome is example F, F, S. So fail, fail, then stop na dayon ka pag nakuha ng success. Then the probability of P of 3, so ang X nimo is 3, random variable nimo. So duha ka failure, isa ka success. So mo na isa ang P nimo, P to the power of 1. Ang Q is Q to the power of X minus 1. X nimo is yung random variable niya. So P times Q squared. Okay? So in finding the probability using the geometric distribution, so si LeBron James, sa basketball player, makes a free throw shot about 74% of the time. Find the probability that the first free throw shot LeBron makes occur on the third or fourth attempt. Okay? So meaning, ma-shoot niya ang bola, okay, sa third, fourth attempt. Ang P, that is your success, is 74. Okay, so kabalo na ka sa Q. Imo na siyang i-1 minus 0.74. Okay, so to find the probability of LeBron makes his first free throw shot on the third or fourth attempt, find the probability that the first shot make on the third attempt. So unaha sa ang third attempt. Okay, and then next na po din mo, pangitaw na po din mo ang probability sa first shot will occur in the fourth attempt na dayon. Dayon i-add lang dayon mo. So meaning yung P 0.74, Q nimo 0.26. Ang X nimo nahon sa nimo ang third attempt. Kay third ba yan yung giingon dire? So mo na imong random variable X equal to 3. So P of 3, 0.74 times 0.26 to the power of 2, so 0.050024. Ang Q naman, 0.74 Okay? Ang Q nimo is 0.26 and X equal to 4. So you have P of 4, 0.74 times 0.26 to the power of 3. Okay, that is 0.013006 para sa random variable 4. Dali ra kayo ng ano, pagkuha sa random variable when x equal to 3. Kuha ra man mo ni siya. Para naman sa 4, yung gura mo siya i-substitute. P mo ni ang Q, di ba? To the power of x minus 1. So, ang may tabuan na 3. So, the probability that Lebron makes his first free throw, igura mo sila i-add. So, the answer is 0.063. Okay? So, o kamoy answer ani para sa try it yourself na may answer dito sa page A37. So, i-try pod na ninyo. Okay? So, inatura, sa naman kayo ang geometric. That's it. No? Sa Poisson naman, remember, in a binomial experiment, you are interested in finding the probability of the specific number of successes in a given number of trials. Suppose instead you want to know the probability that a specific number of occurrences takes place within a given unit of time or space. Okay, so for instance, to determine the probability of that employee will take 15 sick days within a year, you can use the Poisson distribution. So again, ang Poisson na to is naatay given time or space. So dire sa Poisson is a discrete probability distribution of a random variable x that satisfies the following condition. So first na to, the experiment consists of counting number of x and an event occurs in a given interval. Interval can be interval of time, area, or volume. Next is probability occurring the same each each interval. And then next, number 3, number of occurrences in one interval is independent of the number of occurrences in other intervals. Next, probability of exactly x occurrences in an interval. So muna yung formula na to para sa Poisson. P of x, so ang x na to random variable ha, mu to the power of x, e to the power of negative u, and over x factorial. E is a rational number, okay? 2.71826 ang value aniha. The same siya sa pi, di ba ang pi kay 3.14, automatic na ba? Constant, pero irrational number. Ang e, 2.7. Then ang mu is a mean number of occurrences per interval unit. So muni ang mean na to. Then x factorial. So i-remember ang formula para sa Poisson ha. So example, the mean number of accidents per month at a certain intersection is 3. What is the probability that in any given month 4 accidents will occur at this intersection? So ingon siya dire, in given a month 4 accidents ang mahitabo give this intersection. So ang x na to 4. 4 accidents man. So mo mo random variable. Then ang mu nimo is 3. Okay? Kaya diri man yung gingon. Okay? 3 certain intersection sa number of accidents, that's the mean. Dayon, iguro nimo siya i-substitute na dayon sa iyang formula. So P of 4, muni ang imo ang, kung naka-remember ka, muni ang mu. Mu nimo is, anara, mu nimo is 3, the power of x. Dayon, 2.7, dayon ang e. Okay, pwede na 2.7. Okay, nara na sa iyang calculator. Dayon, raised to the power of negative 3, kayang mu nato is 3 over 4 factorial. You can use calculator ha. Pwede na ni siya answer ang diretso na. Dapat na may scientific calculator para ma-answer ninyo ni siya diretso. Okay, kaya ra na ang Poisson. Dali ra na siya. Basta kabalo lang jud ko sa x at saka sa mu niya. Iguro na mo siya i-substitute. Okay? So, diri, natay try it yourself. You have to practice also ha, nga mag-answer mo ani. So, a probability of 0, meaning 0 ang random variable, ang x, or check ninyo kung p na to 1, p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 4. Then, i-total ni mo tanan yung nakuha. The same gyapon sa question diri. Sa example number 2, padayon raman ka diri. Okay? So diri naman ang gibuhat lang diri is gagamit lang ta og table. A population count shows that average number of rabbits per acre living in the field is 3.6. Use a table to find the probability that the 7 rabbits are found in a given acre of the field. So kani naatay 7. So mo na imong x 7, di ba? Find the probability ba? So mo na imong random variable. Then ang mu nimo na mention naman diri average number. Di ba na-mention naman average number. So mo na imong mu 3.6. So pwede nimong gamiton ang table. Na table ha, you can check that in the tumoy natong kaninga PDF, kaninga libro nato, table 3 in appendix B. Okay? So dire ang x nimo random variable 7. Dayon ang mu nimo na dire sa 3.6. So makita nimo intersection niya, dali ra kay na makita nimo intersection 0.0425. And that's it. Muna siya ang answer for the probability. Okay? So muna siya ang answer. The probability that the 7 rabbits are found on a given acre is 0.0425. Since less than man siya sa 0.05, ang sanang 0.05, that is yung, ano na to, level of significance. Pero madiscuss na siya later part, no? We consider that an unusual event. Okay? So here's now the summary sa mga na-discuss nato for chapter 4 sa discrete probability distribution. So again, balik ta ang binomial distribution. Satisfy the following condition. Experiment is repeated for a fixed number of n independent trials. So na kay n, di ba? Kay mo man ang formula sa binomial na atay n number of times at n nato trials repeat. Dayon x naman is success in n trials. Then kaniyang p success nato in a trial and then ang q is the failure. Okay? So number 2, there are 2 possible outcomes for each trial that is success failure. Okay? So muna ang binomial. Success failure na siya. Probability of success must remain constant for each trial. And then a random variable x counts the number of success trial. So muna ang formula. Make sure nga i-familiarize na ninyo na ha kay manggawas jud ang mga inani, mga word problems. Sa geometric naman, a trial is repeated until success occurs. So, natay mga trials ginabuhat, ma-stop lang ka hantod nga makuha nimo ang first success. Stop na dayon ka. Muna wala kay makita nga end rate. Walay end, di ba? Kay ang x nato random variable, first success occurs lang. Dili pareha diri nga daghan ta og success, failure. Mo na natay n trials. Number of n trials. P nato is success, Q is failure. Okay? So ang formula sa geometric PQ, the power of x minus 1. Okay? And then, make sure nga yung mga trials natin are independent of each other. Then the probability of success P is constant for each trial. Number 4, random variable x represent the number of the trial in which the first success occur. Then a parameter para sa geometric distribution is P. Yung probability of success in a single. Kasi naman ka ma-success, isa ra jud ang success mo nang P ra jud siya, wala siya exponent. Okay? Sa Poisson naman is a discrete probability distribution of a random variable x satisfy the following condition, that is yung x na to or the random variable x event occurs over the specific interval, that is yung interval na to time, area, volume. So lahi ni siya ha, more on example diri sa Iligan City, pila man ka-accidents ang mahitabo in 1 month, di ba? Nya naman tayo past records nga butang nato for accidents in a month. So pila may probability nga maka 5 accidents in the next month. So in ana siya. So ang x nimo is the occurrences in the given interval, no? Ang mean naman occurrences in a given time or space unit. So mo niya tong formula x sa kamura jud ang kinahanglan. Then you have to familiarize lang sa ato ang formula. Ang E 2.7 ra ang value ana. Okay? Sa number 3 naman, the number of occurrences in one interval is independent of the other occurrences in other intervals. And then ang parameter lang nato dire is ang mu. Okay? So bantayan niha ang parameter sa binomial n at saka p. Okay? Parameter naman sa geometric p. Parameter para sa boson is mu. Okay? So that's it. Okay? So di na ko mo answer ano yung mga exercises ha kay gusto na ako kamo ang mo answer ani. You have to practice all the exercises kay math major ra bata. So kailangan practice jud mo kay dira ra kumukuha sa inyong assignment, quiz and exam. Okay? So kung mugawas man gali ni nga kani nga problem, make sure complete solution ta ha. Okay? So that's it.